Gmail login email. How to log in Gmail account. If you want to log into your Gmail account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is just simply open up your browser, then simply go to gmail.com. Once you go to gmail.com, this is the kind of interface you will see, or you can also use the Gmail app. Now over here, you simply need to enter your email address that you want to use over here, right? So once you enter the email address, next up, you also want to enter your password. And once you've done that, you can just tap on the next option from the bottom of the screen in order to log into your Gmail account. Now, if you happen to forget your password sometimes and you want to reset it, then you can also tap on the forgot password option that you'd be able to find over there. And this way you'll be able to log into your Gmail account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.